slugs and snails can be a problem at any time of the year in our gardens. We're at the Al's Garden Home in Wilsonville, and we found these products to combat those problems. So I found the Deadline product, and this one has metaldehyde in it. So you really have to be careful where you put it in the garden because you cannot have it around people, children, or animals. The product metaldehyde will actually be ingested by the slugs. You'll see the slime trail, and then you'll see them where they're not going to be a problem anymore. So it's a really quick action chemical to take care of slugs and snails. Deadline also makes a liquid product, but it also kind of dissipates in the rain, and so we have such rainy season here in Oregon. It's best to use a granular product.
And if you're looking for a safer alternative, both the Sluggo and the Cories are an iron-based, and so they're safer around people and around your pets. And the way these work is they're ingested by the slug or the snail, and it reacts with their digestive system. So usually they'll eat it, then they'll take it back to their nest or their home, and they'll die there. So you don't generally see where they're going off to, but it is working.
And so with any kind of product that you put in your garden, you want to make sure that you read the packages. There's all kind of information about when to apply it and how often to apply it. Usually with slug baits, you want to put it on at twilight, early evening, because that's when the slugs are going to be active. You also want to make sure that the soil is a little moist because it will activate the product so that the slugs are attracted to it and will ingest it. You can find these products at many of your local independent garden centers, so visit them and you can pick up these products for your own garden.